Today we are going to show you the best electric pressure washer you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best electric pressure washers for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best tech products that you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering electric pressure washers, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. Craftsman CMEPW1700. The Craftsman, which is referred to as document_number_1, is designed to have excellent mobility. The handle is molded into the frame, making it very convenient to carry around. The unit weighs only 17.6 pounds, which is why it doesn't use wheels. The plastic frame plays a significant role in keeping the weight low. The axial cam pump, powered by a 13-amp universal motor, can deliver a pressure of up to 1,700 psi and a flow of up to 1.2 GPM, which is equivalent to a cleaning power of 2040 cleaning units. The device comes with a spray gun, a wand, a 20 feet 1/4-inch high-pressure hose, and 2 nozzles. It also has a detergent addition feature, which can be used by attaching the foam cannon to the end of the gun. Unfortunately, there is no proper storage solution designed for the hose, as there is no reel, strap, or hook. The device has a classic ergonomic spray gun and a wand. The 2 included nozzles are suitable for various surfaces, and the respective surfaces they are appropriate for are listed in the table below. The device also has a storage area for nozzles and accessories that you may need for the job. The Craftsman document_number_1 is equipped with a trigger lock mechanism, which prevents accidental operation and enhances safety. It is ranked among electric pressure washers with a comparably low pressure output, considering the units that cost between $80 and $110. Number 4. DeWalt 2100 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. The DeWalt electric pressure washer is a powerful yet compact machine that measures 22.5 by 15.13 by 10.5 inches LXWXH and weighs just under 28 pounds. With its telescoping handle extended, it stands 39 inches tall, making it easy to roll and maneuver like a mid-sized carry-on rolling suitcase. The tires are suitable for hard surfaces and not all-terrain use. Despite its small size, this pressure washer packs a punch, with its 13-amp universal motor and axial cam pump producing 2,100 psi of cleaning power at a flow rate of 1.2 GPM. It is ideal for removing stubborn dirt and algae from PVC privacy fencing and vinyl siding without any added chemicals. The pressure washer's external cage has multiple grab points, making it easy to load and unload into a vehicle. It also features 2 4-inch integrated wheels and a retractable handle for better mobility. The hose and power cord can be kept tangle-free when not in use, with the 35-foot cord wrapping around 2 large plastic cleats and the coiled hose fitting securely under the top handle. The pressure washer's wand breaks down into 3 pieces, which stow away in an internal compartment on the end of the machine. The nozzles, of which 4 come with the set, can be stored on the handle, which has room for 3. The pressure washer also has an onboard detergent tank, which is removable for easy pouring of leftover soap back into the bottle when the job is done. The DeWalt 2100 PSI electric pressure washer is available for $299 at the Home Depot and comes with a 3-year warranty, 1-year free service agreement, and 90-day money-back guarantee. Number 3. Greenworks electric pressure washer. The Greenworks 3000 PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful option that doesn't require a gas engine. It has a simple design which makes it easy to store without taking up too much space. You can just tilt it forward and rest it on the front bar without having to fold the handle. It comes with a 1-gallon detergent tank, which is more generous than most electric pressure washers. You can fill the tank with Simple Green or any other cleaning solution by the gallon and recycle the bottle without having to store it. With this model, Greenworks can reach up to 3,000 psi and up to 2.0 GPM, depending on the nozzle you're using. This is a big step up from the typical 2,000 psi/2.0 GPM of a decent electric model. The Greenworks 3000 psi electric pressure washer uses a brushless motor that allows for intelligent sensors to adjust the power and flow based on the nozzle you have on the wand. It's one of the highest performing electric pressure washers available and comes with a retail price of $449. It also includes a 3-year warranty on the tool and a 10-year warranty on the brushless motor. Number 2, the Karcher K5 Premium Full Control Plus Pressure Washer requires assembly and comes in various parts. You will need to attach the wheels, screw in the top bar for the telescopic handle, add the rear mesh cage, and the front panel and front rest. It is a time-consuming task, but once assembled, the pressure washer measures W305x D397x H584 mm and weighs 17 kilograms. The package includes the Full Control Plus trigger gun, which requires 2 AA batteries to operate. Included, the gun features an LCD panel that shows the current setting, and you can insert the 3-in-1 multi-jet spray lance into it. The spray lance has settings for flat stream, rotary, and detergent, and you can use Karcher plug and clean bottles for detergent. Karcher also offers compatible accessories such as car washers and patio cleaners. You can store the gun and 3-in-1 lance in the clips at the front of the unit, while the mesh pocket at the back is handy for storing spare parts. The hose guide at the front of the unit allows you to feed the 8M high-pressure hose through the body of the cleaner, offering smoother control and ensuring the hose doesn't become caught up. All control is managed through the Full Control Plus trigger gun. To start spraying, you push in the big trigger and use the plus and dash buttons to adjust pressure. To test the K5, I used it on my patio, which had a combination of plant growth and muddy footprints. I found that the standard flat stream nozzle on medium pressure was enough to clean surface dirt, while the rotary nozzle on high pressure was needed to remove tougher marks and plant growth from the grout lines. Number 1, Sun Joe SPX 3000 Stream Pressure Washer. The Sun Joe SPX 3000 XTREAM is a portable pressure washer that is designed for easy mobility. It measures approximately D14x W16x H34 in and comes with a handle that makes it easy to carry around. The device weighs just 28.4 pounds, thanks to its lightweight plastic frame. Additionally, the pressure washer comes with 2 solid wheels that make it easy to move around. The package includes a spray gun, a wand, a pressure hose, 4 nozzles, and a detergent addition feature. The pressure washer has a 13-amp universal motor that delivers a pressure of 2,200 psi and a flow of up to 1.65 GPM. These are the maximum values that the washer can reach under specific conditions. In a typical load, the working pressure is 1,700 psi and the rated flow is 1.2 GPM. The pressure washer has a cleaning power of 2040 cleaning units. The device has an on-off switch that makes it easy to start. It also comes with a 35 feet GFCI cord that ensures the unit is ready to use with peace of mind. The Total Stop System, TSS, automatically shuts off the pressure washer when the trigger is not engaged to prolong the pump's lifespan. The pressure washer also has a handy storage area where you can store nozzles and accessories. This ensures that you always have everything necessary for the job at hand. All of the best electric pressure washer are on our list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which electric pressure washer would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates. All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.